Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is going to be about the deluxe resorts. So we have talked about the value resorts and we've talked about where to stay in the moderate edition. Today we're going to talk about where to stay in the deluxe resort. I'm actually going to split this video up into two, because there are so many more deluxe resorts. So this one is going to be about the Magic Kingdom resorts, everyone's favorite, and then the next one will be about Epcot and the other locations. So let's go pick out a deluxe resort, maybe in the monorail, I don't know. So the Magic Kingdom resorts are actually 4 resorts. You have the monorail resorts, which are everybody's favorites: the Grand Floridian, the Polynesian, the Contemporary. Those 3 resorts are all on the monorail. And there are some DVC resorts in all 3 of those. For this video, I'm just talking about the standard Walt Disney World resorts. Another video, another day, another time about the DVC ones. And a short boat ride away, my personal fave is the Wilderness Lodge. So what one is right for your family? So let's break it down. All of the monorail resorts will sleep 5 people in 2 queen beds and 1 pull-down sofa. The pull-down sofa in all 3 monorail resorts I could totally sleep in. I'm 5'9". I have slept at the one at the Grand Floridian before. It's very comfortable. Unlike the moderate resorts or the valley resorts where if you have a pull-down bed, they're really meant for kids. This one you could totally fit an adult in, no problem. The Grand Floridian, if you are at the Grand Floridian, you're 1 monorail stop away from the Magic Kingdom. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cold. You are 1 stop away from the Magic Kingdom on the monorail. They are currently building a walking path, so that will come in handy in the future. This is a pretty good sized resort. The main building does have some resort rooms, but those are all concierge or club level rooms. The Grand Floridian has a ton of places to eat that are really delicious. They have 2 pools, one that's more of a quiet pool and then one with a little water slide and like the big Mad Hatter hat that drops water out. Pool bar, super cool spot to be. The next one up on the monorail is my personal monorail favorite, the Polynesian. The Polynesian definitely has a Polynesian type vibe. I love the restaurants here, whether they're the table service restaurants or the quick service restaurants. They are some of my absolute favorite on property. Now the pool here is a volcano pool with a water slide, and it's so cool. They have a great pool bar with drinks and some food, and you can watch the fireworks while you're swimming in the pool each night, and they pipe in the music. It is truly a magical way to spend your evening. I would say this is one of the harder resorts to get into for the fact that capacity size, they are one of the smaller deluxe resorts. So if this is on your list, definitely book it fast. They are 2 monorail stops away from the Magic Kingdom because they will stop at the Grand Floridian first, but all of these resorts, all the monorail resorts, I should just say, the Polynesian and the Grand Floridian have a boat to the Magic Kingdom. My favorite way to travel, if you've seen my Disney transportation video, you know that. The Polynesian is 1 direct boat line to the Magic Kingdom. So you're gonna get there super fast, bag check, lickety-split, and then you're off having a magical day. The last one on the monorail is the Contemporary. This also is one of the original, Polynesian and the Contemporary, 2 of the original resorts. I really liked this resort. It's not my total favorite on the monorail, but I think being able to walk to the Magic Kingdom is huge. So if you're there for the Halloween party or the Christmas party, or if the Magic Kingdom is the focus of your trip, being able to do a short 5-minute walk to your resort is so nice. I absolutely love this. Plus, there's 2 buildings here. You have the garden viewing building. Those rooms are generally going to be less expensive than the ones in the tower. The tower is the main iconic building you all know and love, and that is the building that the monorail runs through. So you have a couple options here. They do have club level rooms. They have rooms that are going to look over at Bay Lake, and then they have theme park view. So imagine getting back to your room each evening and watching the fireworks from the comfort of your own room. So nice. Then you have the Wilderness Lodge. like I said, my personal favorite resort. This is also a tough resort to get into because there's not a lot of rooms here. The Wilderness Lodge is kind of split in half if you're looking at the building. One half is the standard Wilderness Lodge, and then a few years back, they made the other side, Copper Creek, that Disney Vacation Club side. Short boat ride away to the Magic Kingdom. What I love about this is it's a lot quieter than the monorail resort. So if you're really looking for an escape at the end of the day, if you want it to be a little quieter, this is your resort. You're gonna walk in that lobby and your jaw will drop. No pictures will do it justice. It is gorgeous. One of my favorite quick service places is here as well. It's called Geyser Point. It's right on Bay Lake. It's really good food, really relaxing, great service. It's actually a quick service credit and but with the benefits of a table service. So you can order from a window and go sit by the pool if you want, or you can sit and with views of the lake and have a waitress or a waiter come over and help you. I love those resorts. So tell me, out of the Magic Kingdom resorts, which one would you pick? Would you pick one on the monorail or be over at the Wilderness Lodge? You know my top two, Polynesian or Wilderness Lodge. Do you really have to pick just one? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what your Magic Kingdom resort would be. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be about the Epcot and the Animal Kingdom resorts.